So, we all use the internet every day, right? But let me tell you, some of the things we do online is like leaving the front door wide open and wondering why mosquitoes came in. Today, I will show you three mistakes people make online every day. Mistake number one: clicking random links without checking. Clicking links like federal government is giving 30,000 COVID grant. Click here to claim. Or MTN is giving free airtime. Just fill this form. My friend, those links are traps. They just want your information. Always check the source. If in doubt, don't click. Simple. Mistake number two: posting I'm in Dubai for 2 weeks with family pictures or hotel details. May look cool, but it also tells strangers you're not at home. You just gave robbers free information. Not everything belongs online. Share wisely. Mistake number three: using the same password everywhere: email, Instagram, even your bank. One hack, boom, they've got the master key to your entire life. Please don't make it that easy. Use different passwords. Or better still, a password manager. It's like having separate keys instead of one magic key that opens your fridge, your car, and even your neighbor's house. These mistakes may look small, but they put you at risk. And guess what? October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month. So, next, we'll go deeper into how to actually protect yourself online. Stay tuned. No stress, just tech with Malabar Tech. Thank you.